Hey, welcome to another episode of Diycarmodz. My name is Jeff, and today I have a product review of this LED headlight bulbs from Sealight. This is their S2 series. This particular package comes with both 9005 and H11. I'm going to be installing this for the Highbeam on the Honda Civic for the 9005 and H11 for the fogs. This will be a direct replacement for your stock halogen bulb. However, I would not be using this for my low beam. And here are the specs. Now it comes with 4 LEDs. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And it comes with zip ties and double-sided tape. And your owner's manual and installation guide that's in here. Here is a close-up of the LED bulb. Each bulb is rated at max 25 watts at 3600 lumen. It is using CSP LED chip. Everything is aluminum other than the rubber O-ring. There is a fan in the back. It is rated at 12,000 RPM. The wires are sleeved. And here is the LED driver with the connector. Now the connection right here is non-polarity, so it will work either way, installing it this way or the opposite way. This is compatible with majority of all vehicles that uses this particular application, which this one is a H11. However, for some domestic and Euro vehicles, you will need a air canceling unit that you need to attach to this right here and then to your vehicle wire harness, or else you're going to get an air warning light or you will see flickering in your headlight. This does come with 2-year warranty. And so if this does go bad, you just need to contact the manufacturer and they will replace it free of charge. All right, so I'm going to take this LED bulb and then install it on the 10th-gen Honda Civic right here. First, go ahead and locate your high beam. So it's going to be this right here. So follow that back. And here is the blue plug. Go ahead and push the little tab right here to remove the plug like that. And then turn the bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Now on some vehicles, you see there's a O-ring right here. It might be beneficial if you go ahead and swap the O-ring from this one to this one. The reason being is this O-ring here is a little bit thicker compared to the one that's on your stock one. And so some headlights, depending on the make and model of your vehicle, might be easier if you do go ahead and swap that with the original O-ring that's here. For this vehicle, I don't need to. I could if I wanted to, but I don't have to, so I'm not gonna. Now take your new LED, and you see this has 3 little tabs, depth to correspond with the cutout that's right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and align the 3 tabs, and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place. There you go. And then I simply need to go ahead and connect the socket connector for the high beam to the LED right here. You see that on this one it has a little notch up here, so the notch needs to go on the top right here. And this is non-polarity, so this should work when I turn on my high beams. All right, so I'm going to turn it on to make sure that it works and show you the difference between the driver side, which is stock, and the passenger side, which is the new LED. All right, there you go. As you can see, it works. This side is stock still, the amber off-white color, and the white color for the new LED side. Now I'm going to go ahead and change out the driver side. Exact same process. Go ahead and push the little tab in the back to remove this. Turn this counterclockwise to remove the bulb and align the little 3 tabs to the cutout on the headlight, and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place, and then connect this together. And there you go, both the driver and passenger side is changed out to the new LED. No more amber high beams. Now the color is pure white. It's a bright and crisp white light. It matches the white car very well. All right, this is the low beam and this is the high beam. All right, back to low, back to high beam, and lows. Okay, so this completes a product review, installation, and demo of the 9005 HB3 high beam LEDs from Sealight. And I'll be doing a follow-up installation video on changing out the fog lights on this 10th gen Honda Civic with the H11, H8 Sealight LED bulb that you saw earlier. So don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified when that video gets posted. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, don't forget to also follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. Hopefully this video was helpful. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.